Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing residence affidavits that are obtained from the American Citizen Services section of the United States Embassy here in Thailand. Now, these types of documents could be either obtained from the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok or the U.S. Consulate in Chiang Mai. And what are these documents? What specifically are we talking about? Well, for certain things like, for example, a driving license in Thailand, as well as other types of documentation which one may be trying to obtain here in Thailand, you may need to get what's called a residence affidavit, and the U.S. Embassy, generally speaking, will issue such a document. So, for example, you would go down to the you'd make an appointment with American Citizen Services at the U.S. Embassy or consulate you're wishing to go to, and go ahead and fill out and have that document notarized by that office to then go ahead and use that in whatever capacity you're looking to use it for here in Thailand. And generally speaking, depending on what you're going to use it for here in Thailand, for example, a Thai driving license, you may need to go ahead and then deal with certain formalities under the Thai system to have that document become usable for purposes of Thai legal matters. But the thing to take away from this video is here recently we have seen changes to the appointment system for making appointments at American Citizen Services. And those changes, in my opinion, are stemming from the fact that they are no longer issuing the income affidavits for use in Thai immigration matters. That's a thing of the past. I've made multiple videos on that over the course of the last roughly 18 months. I'm not going to go into detail on that here, but suffice it to say, the result of this change is fewer appointments slots, in my opinion, are being put out in order to be used by Americans wishing to go down to American Citizen Services. The reason for this is at one time, due to those income affidavits or the usage of those income affidavits, you had a lot more people wishing to go to ACS at any given time. And now the office is trying to come up with sort of the happy medium, if you will, the amount of appointments that they should provide, should give availability for, and the actual demand for such appointments out in the community here, the expat community here in Thailand. I think that this is still an ongoing thing. I think there's a bit of a learning curve going on here. So I think ultimately this will come to a sort of an equilibrium. But for now, the thing to take away from this is where once, well, if you go back a while ago, it was possible to just walk into American Citizen Services. I mean, there were security protocols, but there was an ability to go in, you know, on a first-come, first-served basis in order to undertake services at ACS. They decided, I think due to security and efficiency protocols, they wanted to go ahead and institute an appointment system. They have done so. Now, to be clear, it's possible to get in to deal with something on an emergency basis if it is a genuine emergency, but barring that, it is not possible to just sort of walk into American Citizen Services. The thing to take away from this video is that American Citizen Services and the residence affidavit that you'll need, where once it was possible to kind of presume, I can probably get that done in a week, maybe 10 days. Now, you know, due to the number of appointments they have available and the demand for appointments, you know, I think you're looking at 10 days at an absolute minimum. I haven't gotten an appointment that fast in some time now. I think 2 to 3 weeks at a minimum you're looking at to go ahead and get an appointment to get in to get this documentation certified in order to use it here in Thailand. So take that as you will. We'll do some updates on this topic in the future if things materially change. So stay tuned to this channel.